So one of the things that I've noticed about the little flashlight here, this is the water that I usually, the little bottle that I use to add water drops to it. Since I got here to Washington in the District of Columbia here, the air here is so much more moist. It's rained probably 6 or 7 times since I got here in a little over a week. So the moisture in the air here is so much higher than it is in the desert where I've been that I haven't had to add any water at all. So in a moist climate, nice and warm, this just stays at max brightness for what these cells will deliver to these LEDs. And each one of these cells is about 1.5 volts, maybe 10 milliamps. I don't have my voltmeter right here handy, so but when I built it, it was a little bit, it wasn't as bright as it is now. And I attribute that to the sodium silicate that I used in here, and that is actually forming crystals in the cell over time when the water dissipates inside the cell in the chemical reaction. So I haven't really seen much as far as corrosion. There's a little bit of copper oxide, a little bit of blue in there, but not very much. So nice and bright. No water added in probably almost a week since I've been here. Haven't really had to add any water to it. Doesn't really make any difference if I add water or not. It's just nice and bright. And it'll be ever more so bright when I add the circuit that charges the custom batteries to this unit. And I'm working on new case designs that has a little flip open top so that you can add water to these cells, and then the batteries are going to be flat on the side, on either side. So I'll have 2, if not 3 batteries added to this. That'll increase the lumens considerably, and you won't be able to tell on camera because it looks really bright right there, but that's just the way it is. So that's what we're doing here with Project LightShare. This is just the Ultimate Survivalist Flashlight Test Model 1.0, and it has been on for 6 months, and that's what we're sharing. And that's the kind of thing that Project LightShare is about, is alternatives to the things that we use every day, like light and sources of light. And imagine some youngster that wants to read at night, they could sneak this in and read. And that's, you know, it's pretty light in here. You can still see that it's shining, making a difference. Anyway, so just a quick update. There you go. Thanks for watching.